Welcome to the College Degree Progress Tracker, an academic planning tool built to help you organize your semesters, monitor your GPA, and stay on course toward graduation. In this video, we'll walk through each tab and show you how to use the tracker effectively. Start with the Begin Here tab. This is your orientation space. It walks you through how the tracker is structured, what each section is for, how GPA calculations work, and how to decide whether to use the standard or plus minus GPA version. This tab is where you'll also find helpful reminders. Review this page first before inputting any data. Next is the Standard Tracker tab. This is where you log your courses by semester. For each course, enter the course name, number of credits, and the letter grade received. The tracker will automatically calculate your semester and cumulative GPA. You can also label each course as a prerequisite, required, or elective to stay aligned with your degree plan. If your school uses a plus-minus grading system, use this alternate version instead. The structure is the same, but it includes a more detailed grade point scale. For example, assigning different values to a B versus a B+. GPA calculations adjust accordingly. Note: if your school assigns a different points value for a grade of A+, for example, an A+ is worth 4.033 points instead of 4.0 points, then enter that value in cell 87. Use the Advisement tab to record notes from your academic advising sessions. Document degree requirements, course recommendations, deadlines, and action items from your meetings. This helps you avoid miscommunication and ensures you're following your advisor's guidance. That's it. With just a few entries each semester, you'll have a clear, accurate view of your academic progress, all in one place. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow us on social media.